how to use split view on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure both apps are open, and now hold your pointer over the green full screen button in the top left of a window. Here, choose the tile window to left of screen or tile window to right of screen option, and then tap on the second app to fill the other side. And now in split view, you can drag the separator between windows to resize them. Double-click it to reset. You can also move the pointer to top to optionally show the menu bar if hidden, and you can hover at the bottom to reveal the dock. Now, if you want to switch, replace, or exit the apps, then to swap apps, hover on the green button on one of the window and choose Replace Tiled Window, and then select a new app. And to exit split view, hover over the green button and choose Move Window to Desktop or Exit Full Screen. So this is how you can use split view on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.